This is the thing about the Valley. The Valley is unfairly picked on. The Valley's like the poor little kid, the poor little runty kid in class who always got pushed down, face rubbed into the dirt, and it's not fair. The Valley actually has some really awesome places to eat. There's a guy, he's from Ireland. He moved to LA, he got sick of fish and chips, and he decided he was gonna really make something that reminded him of home, and we're gonna go there right now, and we're gonna eat, in my opinion, some of the best fish and chips that you're gonna find in the city. What you got cooking up tonight?
Want some catfish?
I do want some catfish.
I want one of those crazy Milky Way deep fried
Whatever.
candy bar.
Is that what, is it a Milky Way?
Deep fried Milky Way.
Okay.
Yeah.
People still go down to the corner and get beer and bring it back?
Yeah, you go get some.
Yeah, do. Super cool thing about this place is that it's BYOB. So what I do is I order, I run to the corner, I pick up a 6-pack of really bad beer, and then by the time I get back, the food's done. Where are you from?
He's from London.
Yeah, London.
Yeah.
Trying to get some good fish and chips.
What do you think?
Fantastic.
Are you impressed?
I love the twist with the batters, the curry batter. That's not really something we have back home, the flavoured batters.
Oh, really?
At least not the fish and chip shops I've been to.
Scott curry, catfish chili, sweet chips.
Awesome. Thank you so much. The fish is really tender, and it's really about the batter. And the batter, like even then, you can still hear it's crunchy, but it's so delicious. Oh, we need the candy bar. You just cook it like a normal.
It's just same batter as the fish, just dumped in the fryer and
Oh my God.
a little caramel sauce, a little fresh cream.
God.
That's it.
I know I shouldn't be eating any more of this, and yet I'm going to keep eating more of this. Deep fried goodness. You're not gonna find better in the city, I guarantee you. I have powdered sugar all over my... Who would have thought? Who would have thought that the best fish and chips in the city would be in the Valley, huh?